Welcome to New England Animal Medical Center, a state-of-the-art veterinary hospital located in West Bridgewater. Our experienced staff, led by board-certified veterinarians, strives to provide area residents with the highest quality care. We offer a broad spectrum of services including general medicine, dental treatments, emergency and critical care, and surgical care. Veterinarians and vet technicians are on duty 24 hours a day to meet all of your pet's healthcare needs. We're always here when you need us. New England Animal Medical Center. Call or visit our website now.